Today I am going to speak about Teacher's Day. I am going to begin my and beautiful sloka. Learn and speak with me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Master Guru Saksa Paramam, Admesi wish you a happy Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day is celebrated on 5th September of every year. We should celebrate this day to show our gratitude and respect. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great president and an excellent teacher. Teachers are our parents and guide